Hey Cam,
Yep.
you want to talk about some private jet videos today?
Yep. Hey guys, today we're going to be telling you about some Q&A with my dad, the driver of private jets. So let's get started. Where did private jet first get its name?
Private jet first got its name from back in the day. We had a little turbo we put on there, and people started to say, man, that thing sounds like a jet all the time. Every pass we made, people would say, oh, it sounds like a jet, it sounds like a jet. So the name kind of stuck, so it became private jet because it was like my own little private jet.
Second question, when did you first build private jet?
Well, private jet wasn't really like a build per se, so much as just a evolution over time. It started out as what was supposed to be a cheap, fun car to play with, and just kind of spiraled out of control from there. It started out as I bought the car in Red Springs, and it started out as a pretty much a stock 5.0 5-speed car with underdrive pulleys and exhaust. I bought it from a guy, I can't really remember his name, out in Red Springs, but car was all stock, needed painting and that kind of thing. I got the car, painted it, got it decently slick, painted the car myself, did a 5-lug swap on it, put some aluminum heads, cam intake. After that, put a blower on it. Had a good time with that. Just over time wanted it to be faster, kept changing things up. I seen an ad one time in the back of Muscle Mustangs and Fast Fords that said this guy had taken a Mustang and put some junkyard turbos on it off of a turbo coupe, set of twins, took 2 of them, and the car he had went 10s in the quarter, and pretty much intrigued me, and I started reading about turbos. So got on a site called turbomustangs.com. I didn't even know what a wastegate was at the time. Started reading about it. I mean, I read for hours and hours and hours, and then started buying parts. Next thing you know, I had a turbo Mustang, and Lord, all the stuff that happened to this car, I learned everything I know the hard way. I broke and blew up and tore up so much stuff along the way. People were like, please just give up, sell it, but I never would. I just kept right on. And
next question, what was the setup on private jet at its last track appearance?
so at last outing, it was a Dart Block 347, high port heads, Holley high ram intake, custom cam, and a Jose forced induction single turbo, which his turbos are always awesome, and of course Holley FI on board, because I don't leave home without Holley FI. And anyway, we had an outstanding performance at that last 336 race. We won the 336 list shootout, and basically later on in the night went up against Ali, got our butt kicked. Not much I can say about that. We spun the tires, dropped the ball on that one, so maybe we'll try it again another time, but Ali may be a little more than we can handle.
Last question, has private jet been changed a little since the last outing?
So yeah, we've made some changes to the car over the off season. All winter long we've been working on it and a couple other cars. Not really going to go into a whole lot of detail about what all's been changed, but we have made some changes, and we're looking forward to getting out this season. Still not even done with it, so we're still working on it. Hopefully it'll be a little faster, better, stronger, who knows.
Thank you for watching this Q&A with the driver of Private Jet, Jason Rooney, my dad, and like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified when we make any new videos. Bye!